Imagine a world where transformation is just a few strokes away. A world where you too, be a chameleon, changing your look as easily as changing your clothes. Welcome to the realm of dramatic makeup and hair transformations. In the blink of an eye, a plain canvas transforms into a work of art. A touch of foundation, a sweep of blush, a dash of mascara, and voila! Face is transformed, but the magic doesn't stop there. The hair too is a playground for creativity, from dull and lifeless to vibrant and voluminous, and the change is nothing short of spectacular. So step into this world of transformation, embrace the chameleon within you, because in the world of dramatic makeup and hair transformations, the only limit is your imagination.